Hello friends, how are you all of? So today I'm so excited because you know that it is my sixth day of my 30 days English speaking challenge, and I have completed 5 days already, and now I am talking about why should we learn English. It's a big question for all of, because you know, we being a Indian, should we learn this language or not? So as I can say, yes, of course we should learn this language, because English is just a language. English is not just a language today, and it's become a basic life English. Okay, and in the modern life, in the modern world, English help us in our studies, in our job, in our travel, and our even our daily communication. Okay, many people wanted to learn this language, but they have not good environment in English. That's why they could not learn this language. But I want improve my English. I want teach my all friends how can we learn this language and how did I learn this language. Okay, so today I am going to speak about many people wanted to grow in their English communication, their life, their, but they get stuck only because they cannot speak English confidently. So learning English is just for a style. It is for progress. Okay. First of all, English gives us confidence. English gives us good opportunity on my work. English gives us more confidence while the traveling time. Okay. When we speak English, we feel more confident and comfortable. Okay, in the school, in the college, in our office, while the speaking, you are feeling, yeah, I am rich person, I am a confident, comfortable, and I can speak very well. Okay, but it's okay, it is a good improvement our English, and even at work we can speak English more confidently. Am I right? Many people know what to say, okay, but they cannot express it because they don't know the right English word. So English help us to express our thought clearly and naturally without fear. Okay, and second thing, English increase our job opportunity. दोस्तों, आपको पता ही है कि आजकल हर कंपनी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन को ही एफर्ट करते हैं और इम्पोर्टेंट मानते हैं. दैट्स वाई इवन ईमेल बिजनेस को इम्पोर्टेंट मानते हैं. इवन इफ अ स्मॉल बिजनेस वांटेड पीपल हु इज स्पीक बेसिक इंग्लिश. इफ यू नो इंग्लिश, you can get a better job, but if you don't know English, so you can get not better job nowadays, and you can also get better salary because of your English speaking, English knowledge. So English is most important for us nowadays. You know friends, success wanted to hard work, and it's, I can say, part of hard work. English speaking is the most important nowadays because of good opportunity. Okay, so third things, English contact us with the word internet, YouTube, Google. 70% information English. आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके मोबाइल में कोई सा मैसेज आता है तो हिंदी में आती है? बेसिकली इंग्लिश में ही आती है. कोई भी ईमेल आती है तो आपको बेसिकली इंग्लिश में ही आती है. तो इंग्लिश सीखने इतना ही जरूरी है आज के ज़माने में कि आने वाले फ्यूचर इंग्लिश में ही आपको हर एक काम करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स वाई आई वांट टू say all of, please learn this language. Nowadays you have time for learning this language. आजकल AI की जमाना है. आजकल हर एक काम टेक्नोलॉजी से ही होते हैं. जैसे कि बिजनेस करो तो भी AI हेल्प करते हैं. आपको कोई भी ऐसा कुछ भी करो, आपको इंग्लिश आना जरूरी है आज के जमाने में. सो माई फोर्थ थिंग, इंग्लिश हेल्प अस टू ट्रैवल एंड कम्युनिकेशन विथ न्यू पीपल. इफ यू वांटेड टू गो अनदर कंट्रीज एंड अदर states, so we'll have to know this language. Okay, because English is the global language. It is not going on only India. It's a full world speak English. Okay, so English become the common language nowadays, and you can ask for direction, order food, talk or stranger, and you can make easily new friends. New English makes traveling easier and more enjoyable. Fifth things, English improves our personality. जॉब, जब आप कोई जॉब करना चाहते हो और उस टाइम अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो तो आपका पर्सनैलिटी हाई हो जाता है. आपको लोग रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके इंग्लिश की वजह से. ओके, सो Don't think about the other person. How will say at me? How can I improve my English? Think in this last thing, and it is gives us freedom because of English, and freedom to speak, freedom to grow, freedom टू लर्न। जब आप कोई भी देश में जाते हो या कोई अदर्स स्टेट में जाते, इंडिया में ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टेट है जहाँ पर इंग्लिश नहीं आती है लोगों को, तो वहाँ आपको बहुत से प्रॉब्लम फेस करने पड़ेंगे। तो अगर आप इंग्लिश जानोगे अच्छे से तो यू कैन connect with them easily because of your English, and English is the good language for learning, and I can say all of should learn this language. So please don't give up and don't waste your time. Try to learn this language, and you can also connect with me every day at 11 o'clock. I am going to live, and I want to talk to someone who can ask me any question. I will try to answer them. Okay, so guys, if you are watching this video, so please like and comment me how is my English, and how many should I learn this language for improving my English. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and bye bye, see you. I will make another video tomorrow, and I will connect to all of again.